Can I achieve a golden crust in less than 30 seconds? Yes, I can. My name is Lucille, and here's my demonstration and honest review of the IMUSA stainless steel panini press. It has an adjustable temperature setting, non-stick plates, and it is fast, 1200 watt fast. There's two lights in the front. I will show it to you just now. The red one is for power, the green one means it's ready. It's got rubber feet, raised sidewalls, it's got a cool touch handle, it doesn't burn me. The size of this is 6.22 deep, 14.17 inches wide and 11.73 inches high. I can fit 2 sandwiches in there at a time. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and you can make a variety of grilled foods in here. And a while back, my husband tried this with hamburger for the first time. What was especially nice then is that it has the sidewalls and the juices and oil and spatter wasn't going anywhere. And it was very easy to clean afterwards. I expected it to be a huge mess, and it wasn't. Here you can see how easy this cleans. With the burger, there was a bit more of a cleanup, but it was all contained on the inside. It didn't leak out anywhere, which is amazing. I highly recommend this. You really should have one of these in your kitchen.